Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Sheet into your Squarespace website. This is useful if you want to display live spreadsheet data, share reports, schedules, inventory, or price lists directly on your site. Let's get started. First of all, prepare your Google Sheet. First, go to sheets.google.com and open the spreadsheet you want to embed. Make sure the content is ready and formatted the way you want it to appear on your website. Now we need to make the Google Sheet public so that Squarespace can display it. Click File, then go to Share and click Publish to the web. Choose the sheet you want to publish, then click Publish and Confirm. You'll now get an embed code or a link that you can copy. If you only want to link to the sheet, copy the shareable link. If you want to embed the spreadsheet directly into a page, click on the Embed tab and copy the iframe code provided. Step 2. Link or embed in Squarespace. Now open your Squarespace dashboard and go to the page where you want to add the spreadsheet. Click Edit, then click Add Block. If you want to embed the actual Google Sheet directly into your Squarespace page, choose the Code block. Click the pencil icon and paste the iframe embed code you copied from Google Sheets. Click Apply, and your Google Sheet will now appear live inside your Squarespace page. Step 3. Customize display. You can adjust the width and height of the embedded sheet by changing the values in the embed code before you paste it into Squarespace. Or just use the design tools in Squarespace to resize and position the embed block where it fits best in your layout. Remember, since this is connected directly to Google Sheets, any changes you make in the sheet will automatically reflect on your Squarespace site. That's it. Now, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.